What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. So please consider subscribing, and oh yeah, leave me a comment, and word up to me, give me that thumbs up, and click that reminder bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. So, y'all already see it. We got this beautiful piece of meat right here, this cowboy steak. And we're going to put this joker on the grill. Alright, now I know I got my hands a little messy here. Let me go wipe them off real quick. Now, we're going to mix it, do a little olive oil on it, and marinate it like so. And I'm going to be using some kinders. Yeah, that butter steakhouse kinders going to go up on that joint. And we're going to be using these beans here, right? That's what the Cowboys use. They didn't have no salad and no baked potato with their steaks, all right? Matter of fact, this steak is just porterhouse steak cut thick with the bone left on it, all right? So we're going to get these beans started. And got our ancestors. My ancestors in the house. My ancestors, all right, y'all? So we're going to get this put on the grill. So you already know. Let's get started, y'all.